Welcome to Skyview Detroit's recently renovated and now fully functioning showroom where we display every product we have from our manufacturers. Come on in. Struxure, MagnaTrack, TimberTech, LivingSpace Sunrooms, all on display for you to experience in person, Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. This is a Struxure Pergola. If you're not familiar, Struxure nationally is partnered with locations like Ruth Chris, Ritz-Carlton, Hyatt, Hilton, the Four Seasons. The exciting thing for homeowners right now, you are getting the exact same manufacturing, installation, and coverage on your property that they get at the Ritz-Carlton and the Four Seasons. The Struxure system that we install at your home is the exact same model that's hurricane rated for Miami-Dade County, snow rated for Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and seismic rated for San Francisco, California. This particular model is equipped with every option: motorized louvers, lights, fan, wind sensor, rain sensor, optional screens to enclose the space, and a 6,000 watt infrared Bromic mounted heater for full 4-season usage. There's only one way to find out what this would look like in your backyard. MagnaTrack is the highest grade motorized screen available on the market today. It's made entirely from an extruded aluminum assembly that's co-opted by a high-line magnetized and motorized system. It's also highly intelligent and can be paired to any smartphone or whole home automation system. More importantly, the textile is made entirely of a Kevlar polyester mix. Each screen system is wind rated a minimum of 75 miles per hour and impact rated for almost anything you could throw at it. These screens are perfect for enclosing any existing outdoor covered patio, pergola, or lanai. If you'd like to come to the showroom and try it out for yourself, we'd love to have you down here. Or if you're ready to book your design consultation, click the link in our bio. This is TimberTech. Skyview Detroit is one of only 5 Platinum Pro contractors in the entire state of Michigan, and the only contractor with a live showroom where you can experience the entire TimberTech lineup for yourself in person. We recommend the PVC line, polyvinyl carbonate. It is a 100% artificial and the only maintenance-free decking option available on the market. The PVC lineup comes with a 50-year no stain or fade warranty. It is going to stay up to 30 degrees cooler than competitive brands and have 40% better traction in the rain and the snow. A TimberTech deck stands great on its own, but if it makes sense, it's the perfect complement to wrap around a LivingSpace sunroom. This is our own in-house LivingSpace Sunroom Edition. This is one of 2 full-scope LivingSpace projects that we're adding to our own warehouse for additional square footage. LivingSpace Sunrooms is currently the only professional assembly that counts as additional square footage to your home and can be opened up to the rest of your house. That is specifically because of the energy efficiency of the product. The LivingSpace Sunroom is built entirely from glass, vinyl framework with a fiberglass backing that gives it an industry-leading double lifetime guarantee. This is not built like a typical sunroom. It's built in a factory-sealed environment by laser-guided saws that culminates in a 100% custom design for every homeowner. If you'd like to see what this looks like in your backyard, click the link in our bio to book a complimentary design consultation.